See, what is the difference between program and script? The simple one, the program runs always alone. Runs alone. Script means what? Runs from another program. Runs from another program, like as a sub program. As a sub program. Simple example, suppose if you come to that program, okay, C program if you take, whenever you are writing the code, everything you need to write, that is a C programming, C source code only, and you are saving with any name with a .c extension so that you can run the code. The program runs alone. Script means what? You can run inside another. The best example to understand, if you are writing HTML file, suppose is a web.html file, inside the inside HTML, you can add the JavaScript. In one language, in one program, you can add the code of JavaScript. This is called script. Of course, the JavaScript that will run from the HTML program. Simple answer, program versus script means what? Program can run alone, but script always run from the another program, that is as a sub program. That is